In the realm of culinary innovation, the Ninja AF141 Air Fryer Pro emerges as a true game changer, promising an effortless journey to crispy perfection. With its versatile 4-in-1 functionality, this kitchen marvel is poised to revolutionize the way you cook. Let's delve into what makes the Ninja Air Fryer Pro a must-have addition to your culinary arsenal. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Unleashing culinary excellence. At the heart of the Ninja Air Fryer Pro lies its Air Crisp technology, a groundbreaking feature that harnesses the power of 400F superheated air to envelop your favorite dishes, delivering a tantalizingly crispy exterior with every bite. Say goodbye to soggy and hello to irresistibly crunchy delights. Capacity that impresses. With a generous 5-quart ceramic-coated nonstick basket and crisper plate, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro offers ample space to cater to your cravings. Whether it's whipping up a batch of golden fries or indulging in succulent chicken wings, this appliance has you covered, accommodating up to 4 pounds of fries or 5 pounds of wings effortlessly. Versatility redefined. Versatility is the hallmark of the Ninja Air Fryer Pro, boasting 4 distinct cooking functions: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. From crispy snacks to hearty meals, the possibilities are endless. Elevate your culinary repertoire and explore a myriad of flavorful creations with ease. Guilt-free indulgence. Indulge in your favorite fried foods without the guilt, as the Ninja Air Fryer Pro offers up to 75% less fat compared to traditional frying methods. Bid farewell to the greasy aftermath and embrace a healthier approach to cooking, all while savoring the same mouth-watering flavors you love. From frozen to fabulous, experience the convenience of transforming frozen fare into crispy delights within minutes. Whether it's crispy fries or golden nuggets, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro ensures that frozen treats emerge with a delightful crunch, making mealtime a breeze even on the busiest of days. Sleek design, effortless maintenance. With a sleek and space-saving design, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro seamlessly integrates into any kitchen space, maximizing countertop real estate without compromising on capacity. Additionally, cleanup is a breeze thanks to the nonstick properties of both the ceramic basket and crisper plate, ensuring hassle-free maintenance with every use. What's in the box? The Ninja Air Fryer Pro comes complete with a 5-quart nonstick basket and crisper plate, providing you with all the essentials to embark on your culinary adventures. Additionally, a chef-inspired recipe book and cooking charts are included to ignite your creativity and inspire culinary excellence. In conclusion, the Ninja AF141 Air Fryer Pro stands as a beacon of innovation in the realm of kitchen appliances, offering unparalleled versatility, convenience, and culinary excellence. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice cook, this powerhouse appliance is sure to elevate your culinary creations to new heights. Don't miss out on the opportunity to unlock culinary magic with the Ninja Air Fryer Pro. Your taste buds will thank you. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.